What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some quick jumbo braids. You know, I'm tired of having to like get up in the morning and have to comb my hair. I don't want to deal with my hair for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm going to be doing some jumbo braids. I was thinking I should do some knotless, but those might can last as long as I want them to last. So I'm just gonna be doing my regular jumbo braids. Let me get the hair. So I want these to be long. Now, although the last time I did the braids long, it was like going in a toilet. I probably won't do them that long, but I want like long. So I'm going to do this 50-inch first, and then I'm going to do the 60-inch. So I'm going to do 2 strands, right? So I'll do 1 strand with the 50-inch and then 1 strand with the 60-inch. I don't know. It's not much of a difference. But I'll probably braid it down a little bit and then add the 60. That way it could be really long. So, are you ready to rumble? True is ready to rumble. I don't know if y'all ready. I didn't hear nothing. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I've been loving middle parts, so I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part. Yeah, the goal is to do 16 braids without looking funny. So I'm just going to prepare them first. Yeah, it don't have to be perfect, but it does need to look a little decent, right?
So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair into 4 parts. So I did do 2 sections in the front, and then I did 2 sections in the back, top and bottom. So I go ahead and I use my favorite edge booster, edge control, and I just kind of smooth down the hair so that it looks nice and neat.
Okay, so I separated the hair. So this is 1 bundle. 1 bundle will make 4, so I have them 4. And then these already have little sections. I think it has like 10 sections, so these are the 10 sections, so those will be the end. So I have them separated. Okay, so I'm going to begin braiding. This is the 1 section. Remember I said that, you know, one bundle will give me 4 braids, so this is the 1 section of the 4, and then I'm just going to separate it in half like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my hair.
Okay, so right here, I'm just going to put my hair in 3 sections, and then I'm going to begin braiding. I don't braid all the way. I just do like a really little short braid, and then I go ahead and I add the hair like right here, you know? And then I add 1 section at a time. So I add this first section, and then I braid a little bit, and then I add the second section, and then I braid my hair down a little bit. So when my hair starts to like thin out, you know, like the edges, the ends start to thin out. So once my hair starts thinning out, I go ahead and I add the 2 strands of 60-inch. I add those 1 at a time. And I did go ahead and I applied some edge control to the tips of my actual hair so that it blends in really seamlessly. And I wanted it to look a little natural, so that's why I didn't do too much hair. I didn't want it to look, you know, too bulky. So yeah, that's the look I was going for, and it turned out pretty good.
Let me show you how long it is. It's like this long. Okay, just finished my first row. Oh man, it was so difficult. Bruh. First row is done. Gonna do my second row.
Yeah, so I forgot to record once I had the second row completed. So I just went ahead and started the front. So I applied, you know, my edge booster to my edges. And then the front, I was actually going to do 3 in the front. But since it was such a big section, I decided to do 4 in the front. So I have a total of 9 in the back. And I have 8 in the front, so that's 17. Yeah, so I have a total of 17 braids altogether.
Okay, so I ended up stopping like several times. I'm starting to feel sleepy, so trying to hide the sleep in these sunglasses. But anyways, I finished this side. Let me tell you, when I say these are jumbo, they are jumbo, okay? So I finished this side, finished the back. Long. I'm gonna do this side now. So I ended up doing 4 on this side instead of 3. So I'm just going to do the same 4 on this side. And then your girl is pretty much done. Okay, bye.
Okay, so initially I wasn't going to curl the ends, but I don't know. They just ended up being so long, so I just decided to curl the ends so it's not as long. Yeah, so I curl the ends. And this is the final look. How did I do? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video. Bye.